No-shows aren't usually rude. They're forgetful. Someone books a call 3 weeks out, life happens, and the meeting just slips their mind. Quietly, completely. A well-timed nudge fixes that more often than you'd think. Vyroq handles it automatically. Head to Appointments, open, Reminder templates, and look at Reminder kind. 3 days before, 1 day before, 12 hours before, 1 hour before, even 5 minutes before start. Pick the moments that matter for your meeting type. Choose the channel per reminder, email for the formal nudge, WhatsApp for the one that actually gets read. Filter templates by appointment type, channel, and language to see exactly what's firing where. Here's the detail that saves you support tickets. Timezone and locale are auto-detected. A lead in Paris and a lead in Toronto each get their reminder worded in their language, timed to their own clock. Nobody's ever confused about which hour you meant. Write once, and it fires on schedule, forever. No one on your team lifting a finger. Fewer no-shows, calmer inbox, more meetings that actually happen. Start yours free at vyroq.com. No credit card, 14-day money-back guarantee.